Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Zesco 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Not a good game, not a beautiful game. Great result for Kaizer Chiefs. The game bafethu, it was terrible. Ngathi udla ibhokisi, wawubona uma udla ibox. Yeah, ibox alikho mnandi. This game was not nice, but a great result for Kaizer Chiefs in terms of them going forward in the tournament. But for mina, if it was me, after Orlando Pirates draw on Saturday, if being management, right, I would have told the technical team or the coaching department, guys, let's focus on the league. The CAF Confederation, we are going to use our players that need a game time. Because if you think about it, Bafit, yeah? If you think about it, do they really need a CAF Confederation? Because Aina Star, Aina Wage, that trophy Aina Star, do you think they are going to win it? In my opinion, there are better teams in Confederation than the Chiefs, right? Even Nase Krupini, like Zamalek, is better than the Chiefs. So now, why don't you focus, put your eggs in one basket early game? Because after a Pirates draw, now the points gap is not that much. That is my opinion. I would have played the players that are coming from injury, that need game time, because you are playing your strong team, and one mistake, some of the players, they are injury prone. Abu Fabian McCarthy, not Fabian McCarthy, but the McCarthy boy, he's injury prone. Any mistake to one of those guys, never thinking. There is not a lot of things for me to show you, Afid. I'm doing this video because I just want you guys to, in my comment section, just let me know which player you want me to analyze. Game Pirates, Sundowns, their previous game. Because if you really watch this game, there was nothing to show, Afid. Askis. If you wanted something nice, incredibly, Chiefs or the game, no. Kaizer Chiefs just defended very well. That's why balapha phezulu elikini. They don't score a lot of goals and they don't concede a lot of goals. That's why about number 3. Defensively, but proper, right? If you look at, they are consistent now in terms of who they play at the back. Now they need to focus on who is going to start. This chopping and changing, that's why they're inconsistent. They don't score a lot of goals. But there's one thing that I liked, and I don't like Ukulma. There's one thing that I really liked from Uvilagazi. Uvilagazi is improving game by game. Tingin Bonis. The first minute of the game, from the first minute, I like this Guti. He comes here as a 10. They could have played him the ball, but the pitch was bad. But watch what he does. He comes here and joins. This ends up being a corner kick, and then he ends up Chiefs yakora. This thing of playing Ulilepo on the right hand side and then ahamba yohlala lapha ekhoneni, it's not good. You have to come in. Uzokora nini? If Ulilepo uhleli lapha, uzokora nini? Another clip of Uvila. He's improving game by game. For me, this is why I say Chiefs should play my youngsters. When you play against these kind of teams, these boys, they'll get the experience and use it early keen. But so now, watch where he starts, Uvila and Uzokina Apelelagu. The ground was bad. That's why Nepasa Ibi Mnandi. But watch where he ends up. He comes in the middle. He recognizes Gutu. Right back here, he comes in the middle. That pass. Silva uyasaba. If you watch the game, That was the only scoring chance, like a proper scoring chance for Kaizer Chiefs, and it comes from a young star. It comes from the young boy. That's why he's improving game by game. There's nothing to really show you. This game was not nice. The pitch was bad. Too many fouls, too many free kicks. Now free kicks were corners, yelale, nani. But it's a great result for Kaizer Chiefs. They have 4 points. If they still want to continue for ECAF, then it's a great result. But for me, I would prefer to focus Elikin. Now, don't forget, Bafet. Okay, another thing. The video is late because there's a guy who keeps on taking izinto engikhuluma ngazo azenze ngathi ezakhe. It's okay, it is what it is, right? But thank you for watching. Don't forget, go to my comment section. Let me know who must I analyze, player analysis, game Pirates, game Sundowns. If it's your first time watching, please tune in again. Ngiyabonga.